Hello, this is Rai Snow. So a while ago, I uploaded my 3D Dungeon Crawler RPG game on my channel, and recently someone asked me if there is any chance to make a tutorial for the inventory system of the game. So I decided to make this inventory tutorial video. And I used this adventure that we have created before as a sample program. And so I added inventory system to this game. So yeah, this is kind of a stripped down version, but basically the system is the same as my 3D Dungeon Crawler game. And if you click this button, then you can kind of open this inventory space, and you have two items right now. Your current HP is 15, and if you click potion, then you can heal yourself. So yeah, if you click this, and you can close the inventory and open and close like this. And also I have added another NPC, a woman, and so if you talk to the woman, then you look hungry, here, take this, you received an orange, so you can receive an item from this woman. Yeah, now you have two orange, and if you talk to the woman again, then you have like 3 oranges now. So it works like this, and I'm gonna explain how to make this. But after I started making this sample program, I realized this inventory system is kind of complicated, so it can be a bit overwhelming because we're gonna use so many new stuff, and so I thought about what is the best way and easiest way to explain this process. I'm gonna introduce two ways to do this. The result is the same, but the process is different, and the one is basically easier way to do this, and the other one is more difficult way to do it, but I think it's better way and a more efficient way to do it. Yeah, so let's start. Okay, so this is the adventure we have created, and so right now we have only 4 buttons, but we're gonna add another button here, so 5th button. So first I'm gonna make another J button. So here I'm gonna name this inventory button, and here there is a choice button panel. So right now it can display, so in this case 4 J buttons. I'm gonna change this 4 to 5, and after this choice 4 button, I'm gonna make this inventory button here. Call new J button. Oh, J button. And I think I'm gonna type like inventory. So this is like a button title. And inventory button set background color black. Inventory button set foreground color white, and inventory button set font normal font. So all these things that we have already done before, so same thing basically. So the button set focus painted house, and okay, let's add this inventory button to this choice button panel. So since we changed this from 4 to 5, so now you can place 5 buttons on this choice button panel. So we can add this inventory button to this choice button panel. Inventory button. Okay, let's check this. Okay, so it looks like this, but I think since now we are displaying 5 buttons on this panel, so it's kind of tight fitted. So I think I'm gonna make this choice button panel a bit bigger. So right now the height is 150, so I'm gonna change this to like 200. And let's check this. So I think it looks better now. And the inventory, and also I chose to use opposite color for this inventory button. So background is not black but white, and the foreground, basically font color, is not white but black. So like this. This is just a preference, but this way I thought, you can realize at once this is not your action commands like these, but this is something different. Okay, so we have created this fifth button, inventory button. So we want to open this inventory space around here. So another J panel, okay, here. So I'm gonna name this inventory panel, and let's make this panel somewhere around here maybe. So inventory panel, new J panel, inventory panel, set bounds. So we want to place this panel around here. So that means this first X should be this point. So, and this choice bottom panel starts X 250 and Y 350, and width is 300. So that means this point is 250 plus 300. So this is 550 and Y 350. So that's where we want to start this inventory panel. So 550 and 350, and width is, I think I'm gonna make a bit smaller panel here, like width 200, and the height is, we can use the same number, so 200. And inventory panel set background color black, inventory panel set. So we're gonna set the layout for this panel as well, and basically we're gonna type same thing. So 5 grid layout and 5-1, not grind, grid. And okay, let's add this to container panel. And now we're gonna make 5 buttons and place on this newly created inventory panel. So let's make another 5 buttons. So J button is here. So like item button 1, item button 2, item button 3, item button 4, item button 5. Okay, and okay, here. So let's make these 5 buttons. Item button 1 equal new J button. Button 1 set background color black, item button 1 set foreground color white, and item bottom 1 set font normal item button 1, set focus painted pulse. It's like this. And let's copy this and paste 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's change these numbers to 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and 5, 5, 5, 5, and 5. Okay, so we have created these 5 buttons. And okay, let's add these 5 buttons to which one? This one, inventory panel. Inventory panel, add item button 1. And let's copy and paste 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. So let's check this. Okay, so it looks like this. So inventory space has been created. Then we want to make it visible when we click this inventory button. And if we click this inventory button again, then it will become invisible again. Okay, so first let's make this inventory panel invisible as a default setting. So set visible false, not viable. What the hell's? Yeah. Then we're gonna make another handler class. So here, public class. Let's name this inventory handler or something. And implements action listener. Yeah, like always. Public void action performed action event. And also around here, inventory handler. So like iHandler equal new inventory handler. And so we're gonna add this handler, iHandler, to these buttons. First, this inventory button. So we're gonna add this inventory button to add action listener, and here iHandler. And also I think I want to add action command as well. Set action command and inventory button or something. And we're gonna add this action listener and action command to these buttons as well. So item button 1, add action listener iHandler. Okay, what's wrong? Okay. Item button set action command, and for this one, like item 1, whatever you want. And let's copy this and paste for this item button 2 and 3, 4, and 5, and don't forget to change this to 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 3, 4, 4, and 5, and 5, and also don't forget to change this to item 2 and item 3. So this action command, item 4. Okay, so let's go back to the handler. So we're gonna make string, your choice string again here. Choice equal event get action command. So basically this your choice string is, it's gonna use this action command parameter. If you click this button, item button 2, then this action command item 2 will enter this your choice string. So now this program can understand which button was clicked based on this content of action command. So that's why we needed to add unique action command to each button. And here we're gonna use switch again and your choice. Okay, so first let's create the result of inventory button. So case, just a moment. So inventory commands action command is this one, inventory button. So basically this means if action command was inventory button, then let's do this. You can write the result here. And so here first we're gonna inventory panel set visible and true. So we made this panel invisible as a default settings, but if you click this button, then this inventory panel becomes visible. Okay, let's check this program. Okay, so at first we cannot see this inventory space, but if you click this inventory space appears. But with this program you cannot close this. You can open this, but you cannot close this. So to handle this opening and closing inventory, I think I'm gonna make a string. So string here, and name this new string as inventory status. So what to do with this? So yeah, we're gonna check if inventory is currently open or closed. So that's what I want to do. And so first, okay, we can type almost anywhere, but I think I'm gonna type the default value of this inventory status. I think close. And okay, so now after this case inventory button, I'm gonna add if statement here, and inventory status, if inventory status dot equals close. So basically this means if you click this inventory button when inventory is not opened, then let's do this, something like that. So yeah, let's move this thing to inside of this bracket. And also this is also a preference, but choice 1 set visible false. Choice 1 means this button, and okay, copy and paste, and the choice 2, 3, 4. Also one more thing, one more line, inventory status open, because inventory is now open, so we need to change this status. Okay, and the next is else if inventory status equals no, open. So if inventory is already opened, okay, let's do this first. So this time we're gonna set this as true, 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 and true. And also inventory panel, so this time set visible false, so make this inventory panel invisible. And inventory status equal now close, because it is closed. Okay, let's check this. And okay, if we click this, then yeah, these four buttons disappeared, and you can see these 5 buttons. And if you click this again, then these inventory item buttons disappears. So yeah, I think we have done with the UI part of this inventory user interface part. And so we are on to the most difficult part of this tutorial. I think basically we are going to make item slots to receive items or to use items, consume items. Yeah, so let's continue.